Churros made in minutes without frying. Let me show you all the secrets. These homemade churros are so good that they'll remind you of the best churros you've ever had. With the help of a rolling pin, I'll flatten this slice of bread. Next, I'll spread a bit of dulce de leche on each slice of bread. The amount is up to you. It's all about your taste. You'll be amazed by the result of this recipe. The flavor is incredible in the end. This is one of the best desserts you'll ever learn. I'll roll up the slice like this to give it the shape of a churro. It'll look like this. Super easy to make. You can repeat the process as many times as you like. It's your choice. I'll show you again how to do it. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. I love making recipes with dulce de leche. I'll finish rolling up this other slice now. It's a simple recipe, but the secret lies in the combination of ingredients I used. In a bowl, I'll add sugar and a bit of cinnamon powder. I'll mix everything well until these ingredients are fully combined. Here, I have a bowl of milk, and I'll use a brush for this process. I'll brush this milk onto all the prepared slices. This recipe is one of the best I've ever made. It's practical, full of flavor, and has that homemade and healthy touch that wins over everyone who loves this delicious dessert. If you've never made churros at home, now's the time to try. Now, I'll coat our bread slices in the sugar and cinnamon mixture. I'll do this until all our dessert is ready. This dessert is an irresistible temptation. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and filled with a sweetness that's pure indulgence. After that, I'll transfer our recipe to the air fryer. If you're a fan of churros, you'll love this homemade version with dulce de leche. This recipe is perfect for an afternoon snack or a special dessert. The flavor is irresistible. I'll leave it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the time is up, it's ready to serve. This has become one of my favorite snacks. Ever since I tried it for the first time, I can't stop making it. I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me for teaching you this delight. Take notes. These exclusive tips are only here. Now it's time to enjoy.